Okay guys, so the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to take one flexi rod. Actually I have a bunch of flexi rods, different colors and different sizes. The first one is clearly gray. I'm doing the horseshoe method, I believe it's called, but yeah. You want to use the same flexi rods on each side of your hair on the same section, I guess, so you have the same curl pattern on each side. I don't even know if I'm making any sense, to be honest. But yeah, so I'm going with this red one, and these curls, the curls I'm going for are like loose, kind of like beachy waves, really cute for vacation hair. So yeah, I'm going to be selling this wig with the curls still intact, so if you guys do want this unit, let me know. I'll ship you out this unit with the curls still popping or whatever. But yeah, so this hairstyle is super easy, really repetitive pretty much, so I'm not going to talk too much. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the music that I have planned for y'all, and yeah, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm unraveling the curls. I am just an icon living, so that we can live on this bitch, just did it. I stopped for 5 minutes, whoa, I'm so hot in the bitch. Eyes first was before the award show, icon had it on my torso, me and my dipping in the pour so wet, I ain't even taking on tour so wet, damn. Last girl signed in the floor so wet, now I'm focused on me about the all blow up, just trying to make the whole crowd go nuts, what? We don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael. No ice, no Swiss, no typos. No, wait. We just want to make you go cycles. Put $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed. Eyes first before the award show. Icons had it on my torso. Me and boy dipping in the torso. I ain't even taking on torso. Rush with this fire, I'm also right. Young Katie died on the floor, so she broke my heart to the core, so what? I guess we all gotta grow up. I'm just an icon living. So that we can live on this bitch, just did it. 5 minutes. That's why in the business. I'm going straight to the top of the road. You should just tell them, baby, take it slow. When we get up, there's nowhere to go. We can tell it, you're leaving the wall. Damn, look at yellow rose into a rifle. Me and her about to go circle. Put my hands in the Bible. Wait, go keep this like Michael. Stick a like a light bulb. Knock the phone on the penny in the Nike. Want to make a movie in a minute. Need new tracks in a minute. I need to listen to the vision. All your wishes are like a so now you can unravel the curls. I went to sleep and I guess the curls formed overnight. I recommend getting a big button because this little tight button did not do me good. Anyways, like my lace was lifting and everything, like no. Anyway, so don't take out these flexi rods how I'm doing it. I was so rough, I was in a big rush, so that's the only reason I'm being a little bit kind of rough with the flexi rods. But you know, take your time, be gentle, you know what I'm saying? Like the turnout process is going to be a lot better if you're more gentle, but I had to rush, so that's the only reason why I'm being a little bit more rough. But yeah, so I like how the curls came out. Like look at how pretty they're turning out to be. I took the game with my eyes closed. Eyes first before the award show. Icons had it on my torso. Me and boy dipping in the torso. I ain't even taking on torso. Rush with this fire, I'm also right. Young Katie died on the floor, so she broke my heart to the core, so what? I guess we all gotta grow up. I'm just an icon living, so that we can live on this bitch, just did it. In the room for 5 minutes. That's why in the business. I'm going straight to the top of the road. You should just tell them, baby, take it slow. When we get up, there's nowhere to go. We can tell it, you're leaving the wall. Damn, look at yellow rose into a rifle. Me and her about to go circle. Put my hands in the Bible. Wait, go keep this like Michael. Stick a like a light bulb. Knock the phone on the penny in the Nike. Want to make a movie in a minute. Need new tracks in a minute. I need to listen to the vision. All your wishes are like a wishes. I'm about to clean up in the kitchen. And we make a money by the minute.
Okay guys, so
After we're done taking the curls out, we can brush our hair out. You can comb it out, whatever you want. I like brushing it out because it's quicker. But look at these curls, they're so cute, loose. I should have brushed out the right side a little bit more. But anyways, now I'm going to go in and put some Got to Be glue gel on my lace just to secure it down. Because like I said, when I was asleep, it lifted because I sleep like an animal. But okay. Anywho, that's that. I think the curls came out super cute. This hair is being provided by Dye Poppy Hair. It's a wig already customized and, you know, created. So yes, that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up. I love you guys all so much. If you're new, subscribe. Yes, bye. Mwah.
Last girl signed in the divorce, so what? Now I'm focused on me about the all blow up. Just trying to make the whole crowd go nuts. What? But we don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael.